I just got my Home Chef delivery, and I wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit about these Home Chef delivery boxes. Actually really cool. Comes with your recipes on this really nice little card, and it also comes with like a binder as well to put your recipes in. So really neat. I wasn't expecting that. I really wasn't sure if you were going to have to go online and get the recipes, but you basically can collect all your recipes and put them in a binder. Pretty cool. So it comes in this box here. It's kind of a cute box. It says Home Chef. Oh, there you go. And then in the box, as you open it, you'll see like it has this little insulated lip here. And then you have a couple of different reusable ice pack things. And then it's separated with some little cardboard cutouts, whatnot. So it was shipped out last night around 8 o'clock, and I got it today around 2 o'clock here at my apartment complex. And it's nice and cold. All the ingredients are cold. And, you know, a little bit of waste perhaps with some of the packaging, which may not be exactly what you want. But as you can see, I kind of got my setup here. I got the pretzel crusted pork chops, which you saw that. The pecan crusted chicken, and then the steak with Robert sauce. I splurged a little bit today, and I got a nice little knife set from $20 from TJMaxx, and then a cutting board that I really needed, or butcher block, made in Italy, really nice as well. $20 for that too, all at TJMaxx with a nice gift card I got for my birthday, and then the Home Chef I got for my birthday from my mom. So each one, it's actually labeled on there and then has all the ingredients in a little bag. Really neat way there. Everything is pre-portioned to exactly the way you want it. So really cool. And kind of my plan with this is to try out some new recipes. It's going to be great. Everything's pre-portioned, so there won't be any waste. And you know, if I like some of the recipes, this is easy to redo on my own when I go to the grocery store, but just kind of getting some fresh ideas and some recipes to follow. So you can do this at home without having to order it, but kind of gives you a little bit of inspiration and motivation, makes it super easy, does all the right to your doorstep, so you don't even have to go to the grocery store, which is awesome. Each meal comes out to about $10 each. So for us, I mean, that's more than what we'd pay than if we went to the grocery store, but less than what we'd pay, probably about half of what we would pay if we ordered something in. So my husband likes to order like the little meal delivery services that go pick up your like butter curry chicken from the Indian restaurant and bring it to your door. Well, by the time that happens, always over $35 and sometimes like $40. So this is a great alternative that makes it a little bit easier to get inspired and start cooking.